Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
Hey everybody, check this box out. So cute. I designed it because I wanted to create a box out of a full sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So this is what I came up with. And I just happened to use the new Ornate Thanks stamp set. And this was some designer series paper that I got during celebration, and I'm trying to use it up. So this was my example. And I think I have a different idea for the greeting, so I will get started. All right, a full sheet of cardstock. This is mint macaron, and I am going to score on the long side at 1 1/4, 3, 6 1/8, and 7 7/8. Flip it round. I'm going to score at 1 3/4 and 6 3/4. I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. A handy dandy bone folder here. Actually, I got this one in Orlando. I was lucky enough to go to a Stampin' Up! Conference. Who knows, it may be the last one for a long time. I'm just going to cut up along all the score lines to that first horizontal score line. All right, you can see that this is going to be the lid here, and this will be the lid. So basically this skinny one here, I'm going to wedge out on this piece. And we're going to deal with these guys after. All right, so I'm going to put some adhesive. I want the front of the box to wrap around, so I'm going to put adhesive along here. And then I thought what I would do is I would put adhesive on the inside of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sandwich this tab in between the sides so it's very secure. Some dry adhesive real close to the score line and at that free edge. Same here. All right, so I'm going to bring the back up first, and then basically I'm trying to do it so that you can see. I'm going to put this free edge to this score line, and I'm going to try to adhere the tab. But in order for me to make sure that it's square, I want to like push the free edge on my counter or on my craft desk so that I know that I'm getting a nice square fitting. I hope you're picking up what I'm throwing down, folks. There's a reason why I do the things that I do. And I did go so close to that edge. I have a little bit of adhesive that I'll just rub off with my fingers. That's one of the best things when you use dry adhesive for box making, that you can sort of rub away the excess if you do have any excess. All right, so for this lid, I'm going to put adhesive along the top portions here. So along the cut edge and the not cut edge. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this down and keep the sides down. So these sides here down. And then I'm just going to gently wrap and close. Wrap and close. So basically that's going to make a really nice seal. Now, I'm going to go in with my long pair of scissors. Stampin' Up! Used to sell these scissors. They don't anymore, sadly. I don't know why. I don't know why. But I've seen long scissors in other craft stores. So if you have a long scissor, it makes it so much easier, because I'm going to go in with my long scissor and I'm going to put the edge of the blade here, and in one swoop, I'm going to cut it off. So it's a really nice and easy way of taking care of this angle. Just like that. So what happens is you have a very nice finished box, and it stays together very well. All right, so now you're going to need some designer series paper. So your front piece, front and back, is 4 3/4 by 2 7/8. This happens to be the brand new beautiful paper called Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper, and that is with the bundle. I actually have a tutorial, a 90 project tutorial for sale. You can get it free if you purchase the bundle, or if you just wanted to buy $120 worth of stuff out of the bundle, then I'm happy to gift it to my customers for free. Or if you're watching globally, you can certainly purchase that bundle from me, and it will give you many different ways of using this stamp set and this stamp set and these dies and these dies and these gems. And what else? We got ribbon with it and this beautiful paper. There's a lot. Head to my blog for more information. Okay, so this is the top piece. This is 1 1/2 by 4 3/4. Beautiful. This is the front, 1 by 4 3/4. I just love this paper. Oh, so beautiful. All right, and then we've got the two pieces, which are, they are sized 1 1/2 by 2 7/8, but there's a trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this guy on and give it a border, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my snips again, or my long scissors, whatever. And in one swoop, I've got that cut. And now I can put it on the rest. You can leave a gap or not. Just like that. I'll do it again. So I adhere, make sure that I have a little bit of a border, open it up, and look at that paper on the inside. Oh, so nice. All right. And I just have dry adhesive in behind. Okay. Beautiful. All right. So I did use the Ornate layers, and I pre-die cut this little guy. And I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to emboss some gold and some mint macaron. I'm using my embossing buddy here. Just getting it off a little bit. Now, this is the trick. We put Versamark ink on. Then I'm going to go in with my mint macaron. And now I'm going to stamp. So if you thought about the way that I layered it, I put the Versamark on first, then I put the mint macaron on. So when the stamp goes to stamp, we have the ink color on the bottom, but the Versamark on the top. Hopefully my visuals there helped. So what I'm going to do is bring my gold embossing powder. I've just been using paper, it's less staticky, and I'm just going to dredge half. I like it. All right, I have a take your pick tool. I'm going to flip this around now that it's cooled, and I am going to lay in some mini dimensionals. I have many different kinds of dimensionals. I have regular dimensionals. I have mini dimensionals. I have black dimensionals in large and small size. And I have the strips of dimensional, the dimensional adhesive. They're called foam strips, which would also work in this instance. All right, I love it. Oh my gosh. I think that I'm gonna have to use they're called gilded gems. They're like rhinestones dipped in gold. Oh, how could you not like that? I'm going to take a big one and a small one, and then the medium-sized one floating around here. I'm pretty sure that as inventive as us crafters are, this is a very nice size box for any kind of gift or treat. I really like that. Love the style. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all are safe and healthy and, of course, stamping. I will see you again soon. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.